Hi! Do you see what I see? These are now the birds. And we are now here at the Baras Bird Sanctuary. Can you see that? OMG, these are now the birds who are going to work night shift to look for food. Oh, look at this. OMG! So, only here in Tacurong City, Sultan, Kudarat, Philippines. Oh, look at this. So, some of the birds, the day birds, what they call, so we have day birds, we have night birds, and these are the night birds. Look, oh, so they're now on their job to hunt for food. Okay? Wow, and a bird, one bird is about 3/4 kilos, I was told, by the very efficient. Oh my goodness! Tourism officer Miss Emily told me about that. Oh my goodness, this is heaven on earth. I always tell that these are heaven on earth. And where am I again? Tacurong City, Sultan Kudarat, Mindanao, Philippines. So, oh, meron ba niyan? Oh, do you see that? Do you see that? OMG! Wow! Heaven on earth! Oh my goodness! This is an amazing thing for me, no? I'm not a bird expert. I'm not a birder. But, oh my God, I really come to realize that I can love these birds and all these flying, animals, mammals, whatever. Oh my goodness. So, this is now, again, we are here at the bird sanctuary of Tacurong City in this part of Sultan Kudarat, part of Sok Sargent, Region 12. Okay? And look at the flowers. Wow! Very nice. And they have a festival called Tacurong Bird Festival. And every June, that's it, 5th Tacurong Bird Festival, they celebrated last June 21-22. Oh, I can imagine how exciting is this festival. This festival is, okay? So, everyone, thank you for listening to me and learning with me. As I explore the beauty of Mindanao, I always tell that this is heaven on earth again and the land of promise. For me, it's the land of promise. Look at this. Wow. Wow, Philippines. Wow, Tacurong. Sultan Kudarat, Mindanao, Philippines. Bye.